Hello viewers, so today we're going to be heading to Legoland. So today is New Year's Eve and we're going to basically see what the queues are like. And it's 6:30, so...
We got up at 6:30, didn't we?
Yeah, we got up at 6:30, so it's been a long day already.
It's already 8:45 and we've got to pick our tickets up.
And we've just finished our breakfast right now, so we're going to head out, go to the car and go to Legoland.
So we'll see you when we get there.
Yep.
Yeah? Bye.
Bye. So we've got here now and...
What's the time? About 9:20?
Yeah.
And it's really empty.
Yes.
Today's the 30th of December, not New Year's Eve. It's New Year's Eve's Eve, isn't it? That's where you got middled up. But yeah, as you can see, we've got here and we are on the front row of parking. Today we've got to pay extra for our tickets because even though we're Merlin pass holders, we've still got to pay, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to go and collect our tickets, see how long that takes. Hopefully not very long now. And we're going on some rides. Yeah, does that sound good?
So
Cool.
let's go!
Let's go!
The man just scanned our cards and we're at the front of the queue because we got here early and we're waiting to go into the park.
Yeah, we're going to go on first. We're going to go on
Ninjago.
Ninjago, yeah? It's a nice walk round, isn't it? Okay. Still see you've got the Christmas trees up, but there's no decorations. I'll take them down a little bit. Also got Santa there, Bill. And a few other little things, and a few decorations are still around, but yeah? Okay, see you inside. You was the first one in.
Yes, I was the first one in.
You raced to the back and you got the first one in the park, eh? Wow.
Hey guys, look! You can see the castle from here, girl. Family, yeah.
Look, if you look over there,
TV.
castle.
Okay, should we start this long walk down to Ninjago?
Yeah!
Yeah?
It's like Ready Player One, first to the king!
Let's go! Okay, so we went to go down past the Star Wars bit,
Which will go at the end.
but what happened? The gate was shut
Yes.
and no signs up. Then the man come out and said, oh, you can't go this way today.
Oh, look at that dinosaur!
Wow. So now instead we're walking down through the middle.
Yep.
It's going to take a while,
Yep.
walking down this way, but everyone's doing it, so just would have been helped if they'd had a sign, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're just walking through Miniland, or where all the Lego is. You can see some nice stuff in here. All the different countries around.
And look, is that like a cowboy thing?
Switzerland now. BT Tower.
And now over here we've got... Where is that place?
I don't know. France? Scotland. Scotland. Close, eh?
Yeah.
Lego Ninjago.
Yep.
Excited.
Yep.
We beat
There's a giant alligator.
We beat the train down here. Yeah? Looks like it's open and it looks like there's no queue.
Let's go!
Let's get in here. 5-minute wait. Yes. Mine wasn't working properly.
I got 125,350.
So you kicked me butt. And you think you're clever because you picked the right colour, the one that was working and my one wasn't, yeah?
Because my favourite person is Kai.
Kai,
And
yeah?
his element is fire.
And the element is fire. We got in there pretty quick, so we've done well on that ride. That's probably the best ride in the park, isn't it?
Yeah. What if... Wait, let's go on the dragon ride now.
Dragon ride, see if we can get on there quick.
Yeah.
See if we can get the big rides in early, yeah? Come on then, let's go. So, went to go on the dragon ride.
It's not open.
It's not open.
Look at the winter thing.
It's closed for winter. That's a bit disappointing, isn't it? One of the main rides is shut.
So we'll have to go on the Apprentice.
Go on the Apprentice, which is a smaller one, yeah? Okay then. Let's go. Again. Here we go. So, how are we getting on?
Good. We've just went on the Lego Dragon Apprentice 2 times and I enjoyed it. It was really good to ride. Now we are going on Laser Raiders.
Laser Raiders is usually about an hour wait, isn't it?
Yeah, but maybe today we could get lucky.
I think we are because it's not very busy today, is it?
No.
Okay.
Even at this time.
Okay, I think it's about a 5-10 minute wait, so should we go in and have a look, see what it says?
Yes.
Okay, let's
Hurry
go.
up.
So, we're inside Laser Raiders and there is no queue at all. No one around.
There is some people around.
Maybe a little bit at the end, but this is good. So we like that ride, don't we?
Yeah, I want to go to.
It's a good ride if you haven't got to wait.
Yeah.
So in the summer you have to wait for like an hour, 2 hours.
And now we've.
Oh, there's a train coming, so we've got to wait for the train. See if we-
Guys, we've been working together now. We're not versing each other.
No. Okay, let's see the train coming, shall we?
Yeah.
Got to
And
wait
let's
for-
go on the haunted ride if we can.
Okay, who won that ride anyway?
You, but we were working together.
Okay then. There's loads of games to play in here as well, isn't there? In
Yes.
between. But we're not going to do that today, are we? No, we're not doing that today. Do you want to go on the little cherry popper or you're not worried about that today?
Cherry bomb.
The little cherry bomb. Whatever.
Oh yes, sure.
Yeah, you're going to go on that.
And you take a video.
Go on then, go and get in the queue. Go on, go and get in the queue. So, we've just come off the Scarabazzers and Laser Raiders. Those were both good fun. We got them in nice and quick. The park's starting to get a few more people in it. So, should we go on? Yeah, the swings is empty. Should we go on there now?
Sure.
Go on then, go on. Away you go.
So sadly, the submarine ride is shut.
So, what we're going to go on now then?
Haunted house party. Creepy.
So, how are we getting on?
Good. We just went on the haunted house ride and unfortunately Dad lost his glasses.
But I found them now, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, a bit disappointing though. A lot of the rides are not open, are they? So, you're paying extra for a ticket, but because we're Merlin pass holders, but the rides, half of them are closed. Just went to the fish and chip shop, that was shut. A lot of the food and drink places are shut.
So we'll go in the chicken place.
We're going to go see if the chicken place open and get some lunch, yeah? Let's go.
And try it.
Okay.
So disappointingly, we are
Just walked all the way around the lake, Legoland, past the
and
hotel.
it's shut.
We can't get through. It's just closed. And there's no signs to tell you it's closed. So we've got to walk all the way back round again. All the way back round
Damn
again.
it.
So we stopped for some lunch. Reggie's found his favourite in Legoland, which is hot dogs. He loves the hot dogs here. Everything alright, mate? Found somewhere to sit in the sun. Yeah, so we have this. Near enough done all the park, what we can really. Got a few small rides left. Maybe go on some more big rides, the same ones we've already been on if you want. Or go to Star Wars and see the exhibition before it shuts. Okay, see you in a bit.
Hey.
So Reggie's just going to do his driving test thing, I think they call it, get his driving licence in a driving school. So let's see how he gets on. Still only a 20-minute wait, which ain't that bad considering it's usually about an hour in busy times. So let's see how he gets on.
Chalan and your set.
Pass your test?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thought you done alright, yeah?
Oh yeah, guys, when we had lunch, Dad lost his glasses, but then I told him that they were on his head. That did happen!
Right, so we finished the park of what we're going to do really, aren't we? We're just going to go and see the Star Wars exhibit before that goes at the end of the year. A bit disappointed with the amount of rides that was open. Good 50% of the park was shut, even the 4D ride was shut, wasn't it? A bit disappointing. But
I'm just sad about the Star Wars bit.
I'm just sad about the Star Wars closing down. But we had fun. On the plus side, there was very little queues. Longest I see was half-hour wait for Ninjago, I think, wasn't it? Okay, let's go and see the Star Wars before we go home.
So, this is the Clone Wars.
Clone Wars.
It's the last time it will ever be here, which is sad. But then there will be no more Star Wars rides.
No, it's taking it away at the end of the year, which is literally tomorrow.
So, here's Naboo on episode 1. There's Obi-Wan, Darth Maul, and Obi-Wan fighting. There's Naboo starfighter with got the Gungan War against the battle droids. We've got the Gungan War against the battle droids. And guys, look! Look! Gonna turn on.
Wow. That little movie inside, eh?
Yes! There's all the Wookiees. And over here. And right here is the place where Anakin turns into Darth Vader. Anakin versus Obi-Wan.
Whoa, scary.
And guys, look at this.
So that's the end of Star Wars, all finished.
No more.
Don't know what will be here next time we come back, but
Maybe it's going to be a different Star Wars.
maybe they'll re-update it or reinvent it, I don't know. But anyway, end of the day at Legoland. We've had a good day, haven't we?
Last time of the year.
Last time this year, yeah, definitely. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed everything you've seen. Hope Reggie's taught you a few things about what to expect at Legoland. And we'll see you next time.
Subscribe if
If you like it, yeah, if you like it, subscribe. See you later. Bye.
Bye.